Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Z. We will practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words. Let's start with Z. In our last video, we covered the letter Z. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new lesson. Let's begin. The letter Z is from the same category that we have in a previous lesson. This letter's initial style is this one, middle part is coming like this, final joint is this one, and final unjoined is this one. This letter is the same like the previous one. When it comes at the beginning or middle, the style is changing. This part, it's removing. In a word like we have joy. Joy. Joy means place. Joy, place. The Joy Park Day. The Joy Park Day. It means this place is clean. The mean this. Joy place. Park clean. Day is. The Joy Park Day. This place is clean. The Joy Park na day. If you wanted to say like this place is not clean, then you can just add na. The Joy Park na day. The Joy Park na day. It means this place is not clean. Again, the means this. Joy place. Park clean. Na not. Day is. The Joy Park na day. This place is not clean. If you want to say like the Joy, the Joy Park day, this place is clean. And if you want to say that this place is not clean, we can say simple the Joy Park na day. This place is not clean. The Joy der Kolayde. The Joy der Kolayde. It means this place is very beautiful. The Joy der Kolayde. This place is very beautiful. Again, the means this. Joy place der very kolay beautiful day is. The Joy der Kolayde. This place is very beautiful. The motor joy chertade. The motor joy chertade. It means where is the parking place? The motor parking joy. The motor car joy parking. Chertade where is parking place. It means the motor joy chertade. It means like when you want to ask someone, I want to park my car. Where is parking place? The motor joy chertade. Where is the parking place? Then another word, for example, we have John. John. John means self. Pama John Grande. Pama John Grande. I love myself. Pama, myself. John, like self. Grande, love, like is important to me. It means, like myself is important to me. Myself has value to me. It means like this one. Pata John Grande. Pata John Grande. You love yourself. Pata yourself. John your pata by you. John self. Grande love. Pata John Grande. You love yourself. Pata John dear Grande. Pata John dear Grande. It means you love yourself very much. Pata by yourself. John yourself. Dear grande, dear very grand, love day is. You love yourself very much. Zwan. Zwan means youth, young person. Zand. Zand means delay. Zwana, dear Zand Makawa. Zwana, dear Zand Makawa. Is like a question, is like a request to someone. Young man, don't delay too much. Zwana, Like when you wanted to ask someone to tell someone that don't delay, in Pashto you can say Zwana, Derzand Makawa. Zwana is most of the time using for youth, for young person that you didn't know his name. Then you can simply use Zwana. Zwana, Derzand Makawa. Young man, don't delay too much. هغه یو هوښیار ځوان دی. هغه یو هوښیار ځوان دی. He is a smart young man. دغه ځوان کتاب لوستل خوښوي. دغه ځوان کتاب لوستل خوښوي. دغه ځوان کتاب لوستل خوښوي. This young man likes reading books. Yeah, now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Joy, joy, place. دا ځای پاک دی. دا ځای پاک دی. This place is clean. دا ځای پاک نه دی. دا ځای پاک نه دی. This place is not clean. دا ځای ډېر ښکلی دی. دا ځای ډېر ښکلی دی. This place is very beautiful. د موټر ځای چیرته دی؟ د موټر ځای چیرته دی؟ Where is the parking place? ځان، ځان، self. په ما ځان ګران دی. په ما ځان ګران دی. I love myself. په تا ځان ګران دی. په تا ځان ګران دی. You love yourself. په تا ځان ډېر ګران دی. په تا ځان ډېر ګران دی. You love yourself very much. ځوان، ځوان، youth. ځنډ، ځنډ، delay. ځوانه، ډېر ځنډ مه کوه. ځوانه، ډېر ځنډ مه کوه. Young man, don't delay too much. هغه یو هوښیار ځوان دی. هغه یو هوښیار ځوان دی. He is a smart young man. دغه ځوان کتاب لوستل خوښوي. دغه ځوان کتاب لوستل خوښوي. This young man likes reading books. If you would like to learn Pashto very online, feel free to contact me. I'll got hundreds of students and deliver thousands of hours on different online platforms like iTalk briefly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want to complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.